Hello friends, this is Dr. Bela Bhatt, obstetrician and fetal medicine consultant practicing in Mumbai. So congratulations, you have conceived and you have got your first sonography done at 1.5 to 2 months of pregnancy, which is showing a normal pregnancy with normal heartbeat. And now you are waiting for your 3-month sonography, which is known as anti-scan or nuchal scan, and you wonder as to what is this anti-scan. So here I am to help you understand as to what all information this anti-scan gives to you. Between 11 to 14 weeks of pregnancy, and it gives us very crucial information about three very important aspects of this pregnancy and unborn baby. The first and foremost is we are able to assess the risk or the possibility of chromosomal defects in this unborn baby. Now this we do through some of the soft markers that we look at in the sonography. Out of 4 markers, the most important marker is nuchal translucency, which is nothing but the thickness of fluid behind the neck of the baby. This, along with 3 other markers, that is nasal bone, ductus venosus, tricuspid flow, we are able to assess the risk or the possibility of chromosomal abnormality in your baby. This is done by combination of these markers along with a mother's blood test, which is known as double marker. So your nuchal scan and double marker will give you a combined risk or a possibility of chromosomal problem in your baby, which we counsel to you and we tell you whether further tests are required or not. So that is one very important aspect of anti-scan. I'm sure many of you must be having this question as to what these chromosomal abnormalities are and how does it affect my unborn baby as well as its life after birth. So friends, I have a small talk on this topic for which you'll have to stay tuned with me, because in that I'm going to simplify as to what these chromosomal or genetic problems are and how does it affect your baby. So stay tuned for that video. Okay, so the second aspect of anti-scan is we are able to find out almost 50% of major structural problems in your unborn baby right at 11 to 14 weeks or 3 months of pregnancy, which is very significant because you get this information early in the pregnancy, so that if there is any problem in the baby, if there is any structural defect in the baby, and if it is a gross or major problem, you can take decision regarding your pregnancy early at 3 months itself. And if it is a manageable condition, then you get to know or you manage the pregnancy well till delivery. So that is very important aspect of anti-scan. Third, and again a very important aspect of anti-scan, is we are able to assess the risk of you developing high blood pressure during this pregnancy till 40 weeks of pregnancy, or your baby having growth which is less than normal or suboptimal growth during this pregnancy. All this risk assessment can be done right at 3 months of pregnancy with the help of nuchal scan, in which we look at the uterine artery Doppler, and again we combine it with the mother's blood test, which is double marker, and also one other marker like PLGF. So all this put together gives us important information on 3 aspects of pregnancy and your baby. So hope you understand how important this 3 months anti-scan is for you, because this will help all of us to put you either in the low risk category or high risk category, and depending on all this information we'll be able to decide as to how to monitor your pregnancy till delivery to give a good outcome for you as well as your baby. So I hope you find this video useful to you, and stay tuned, because in my next video I'm going to discuss about the detailed structural anomaly scan, which is done at 4.5 to 5 months of pregnancy. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, enjoy your pregnancy.